It's raining just like that day, the one you left and looked away. I held the door like you'd come back, but all I caught was fading tracks. I found your coat, I wore it once, smelled the April on the cuffs, and just like that it took me home. So every night I wasn't alone. If you were still here, I'd say less. Just hold your hand, clean up the mess. Let my silence do the talking, and keep my parade from walking. The plants you loved are still alive. They lean for light but still survive. I water them like I used to do, pretending they're a part of you. I never learned the perfect way to ask you softly not to stray, but now I whisper to your ghost and mean the words I said the most. If you were still here, I'd sleep right, wouldn't reach for you each night, wouldn't miss the shape you made in all the light that love betrayed. So if you're listening past the rain, I trade my songs to feel again what it meant to have you near. If you were still here.